Hey everybody, it's Angel. Welcome to This and That. Today's another orchid unboxing video, and it will probably be my last one for a while as I really don't have room for any more orchids. And my husband keeps telling me, no more, but I keep buying more and more. Anyway, this is Sherry Baby, my last Sherry Baby I had for a whole year. It didn't come with blooms and it never bloomed. It had a virus, and this summer it just kicked the bucket, so I bought a new one to replace it, and this one has flowers on it, and they do smell chocolatey. Not as strong as I would like, but they do smell nice. So anyway, enjoy the video. Hi everybody, it's Angel, and this is This and That. This is another orchid unboxing video, and this will be my last one for quite a while because my husband says no more orchids. Anyway, this is a Sherry Baby that I bought to replace my Sherry Baby that died of a virus. This one, when I got my old Sherry Baby, it didn't have blooms on it and it never bloomed for me. This one supposedly has blooms, so we will find out. It's taped up nice and good. I can't get it open. This is from I don't remember the company that I bought this from. It should say on the label inside. It says, thank you for your purchase. I hope that you will enjoy many beautiful years with your new orchid, Dana. It's from Orchid Lovers Orchids on Etsy. It looks like it has leca balls in here, which I don't care for, so it's going to have to be repotted soon. If I can get it out of the box. Having trouble getting it out of the box. I'm just going to cut the sides. This actually came yesterday, but I didn't get time to unbox it until today. I see it's taped to this inside of the box. It does have balloons on it. That's why I bought it, because it has balloons. I can't really tell what they smell like all wrapped up in the box, but here are the balloons right here. one bloom fell out. Here's so you can see what they look like. A bunch of the bark is falling out of the pot. It's got paper down inside of it. I think it is, oh, this is definitely going to have to be repotted and soon because it is buried way too deep in the media. All the pseudobulbs are under the media. I might just have to dump some of this medium out. But it's damp, so it doesn't need water at least. It's quite beautiful. Oncidium Cherry Baby. Oh, it does smell like chocolate. You want to smell it? I was talking to my husband. He doesn't want to smell it, but I just lost some leca. Here are the blooms, and they do indeed smell chocolatey. I'm losing all the bark on the floor. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye. Hey everybody, hi, it's Angel again, and this is This and That. This is my Sherry baby I just unboxed. I pulled it up out of the medium because it was buried up to its pseudobulbs in the medium. It's also, the pot's way too big for the plant, so I'll probably repot it after it blooms. But here it's got some spots on its leaves, which I'm not too worried about because Sherry baby's prone to get spots on the leaves. But here is the spike in all its glory, and it does smell chocolatey, but not as chocolatey as I would like. But it's very beautiful, and I'm glad I bought one to replace my dead one. Bye.